News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Ramya giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra, Central Power Research Institute, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, National Company Law Tribunal, National Research Development Corporation, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission and HQ Southern Command. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra invites applications for the following vacant teaching posts on regular basis through online mode. 1 post of Ambedkar Chair Professor Temporary, 1 post of Professor Mathematics, 1 post of Professor Home Science Child Development, 1 post of Professor Zoology, 1 post of Professor Linguistics, 1 post of Professor Physics, 1 post of Professor Chemistry, 1 post of Professor Botany, 1 post of Professor Social Work, 1 post of Professor Sociology, 1 post of Professor Statistics, 1 post of Professor Hindi, 2 posts of Associate Professor Mathematics, 1 post of Associate Professor Temporary Gandhian Studies, 1 post of Associate Professor Home Science Food and Nutrition, 1 post of Associate Professor Home Science Child Development, 1 post of Associate Professor Zoology, 1 post of Associate Professor Library and Information Science, 1 post of Associate Professor Linguistics, 2 posts of Associate Professor Sociology, 2 posts of Associate Professor Statistics, 1 post of Associate Professor Sanskrit, 1 post of Associate Professor Hindi, 1 post of Assistant Professor Ambedkar Chair Temporary, 2 posts of Assistant Professor History, History and Culture, 1 post of Assistant Professor Home Science Textile and Clothing, 1 post of Assistant Professor Home Science Food and Nutrition, 1 post of Assistant Professor Home Science Home Management, 1 post of Assistant Professor Home Science Child Development, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Home Science Extension Education, 1 post of Assistant Professor Home Science Physiology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Home Science Sociology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Temporary in Gandhian Studies, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Zoology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Linguistics, 1 post of Assistant Professor Language Russian, 1 post of Assistant Professor Social Work, 1 post of Assistant Professor Sociology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Mass Communication, 1 post of Assistant Professor Statistics, 1 post of Assistant Professor Computer Science, 1 post of Assistant Professor Sanskrit and 1 post of Assistant Professor Hindi. Applicants can submit online application through the university website www.dprau.org.in from 5th of May 2022 to 7th of June 2022 till 5 p.m. and a hard copy of the application along with the required documents with a non-refundable demand draft of Rs 1500 for General and OBC, Rs 1000 for EWS and Rs 500 for SC or ST drawn in favor of Finance Officer Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University payable at Agra should reach latest by 10th of June 2022 by 5 p.m. to the Registrar Residential Wing Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University Agra UP 282004 by registered post which should also have 2 self-addressed envelopes stamped with Rs 50. No application will be accepted after the last date. The previous advertisement issued by the university has been cancelled out and consequently the category of posts has been revised in the present notification. Therefore, candidates applied against previous advertisement will have to apply afresh along with the requisite fee. For the detailed description, please visit the university website www.dbrau.org.in. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the university website. Central Power Research Institute CPRI invites applications for filling up the following anticipated vacancy on short-term contract or absorption or direct recruitment basis. 1 post of Chief Administrative Ordinary Grade. The area of expertise shall be in management or administration of central government or central autonomous organizations or statutory bodies and should have knowledge of central government rules and regulations etc. with good oral and written communication skills. The place of posting is at Bangalore. Biodata of the eligible and willing candidates may be forwarded through proper channel as per the format available in CPRI website cpri.res.in along with integrity certificate, vigilance certificate and certificate showing that no major or minor penalty was imposed during the last 10 years, latest by 20th of June 2022. The candidates may refer CPR website cpri.res.in at career page for further details regarding general conditions and eligibility criteria, etc. Bureau of Energy Efficiency, a statutory body under Ministry of Power, Government of India, invites applications from Indian nationals for the following posts. 2 posts of accountant by direct recruitment or deputation, including short-term contract or absorption. The incumbent shall be paid other allowances as per central government rules. For further details, please visit the website www.beeindia.gov.in. The last date of receipt of applications is within 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the Employment News. National Company Law Tribunal invites applications for filling up the posts of Senior Legal Assistant on deputation basis in different benches of National Company Law Tribunal. For further details regarding eligibility criteria, educational qualifications, application pro forma, etc., please visit the website nclt.gov.in under the link Notifications. The last date for receipt of applications through proper channels is 60 days from the date of publication of the notice in the Employment News. Next is a corrigendum by Government Industrial Training Institute for Women, Chandigarh. Due to administrative reasons, the public appointment notice published under the signature of Director, Technical Education, Union Territory of Chandigarh in the columns of this newspaper on 16th of January 2022 for filling up the 6 vacant posts of instructor on contract basis at Government Industrial Training Institute for Women, Sector 11 Chandigarh is hereby withdrawn with the permission of Director, Technical Education, Union Territory of Chandigarh with immediate effect. National Research Development Corporation is a public sector enterprise with a mandate to commercialize technologies emanating from R&D organizations. To strengthen its ongoing and future programs, NRDC invites applications for the following posts on regular basis. 1 post of Manager P&A, 1 post of Assistant Personnel Officer on contract basis, 6 posts of Assistant Development Engineers or Scientific Officers, 4 posts of Technical Assistants, and 1 post of Assistant Accountant. For eligibility criteria, number of posts and other conditions, please see the detailed advertisement on NRDC website www.nrdcindia.com. Candidates should send their application by post or through email to jobs@nrdc.in within 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement to the in charge P&A, National Research Development Corporation, 20-22, Zamrudpur Community Center, Kailash Colony Extension, New Delhi, 110048. Applications are invited for filling up the following posts in the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission on deputation basis from suitable candidates from central government or state government or Supreme Court or High Courts or tribunals or district courts on usual terms and conditions of deputation. 1 post of Section Officer, 1 post of Accounts Officer, 1 post of Court Master Non-Shorthand, 1 post of Accountant, 1 post of Personal Assistant subject to variation, and 4 posts of Assistant. Applications completed in all respect addressed to the Registrar NCDRC, Upbhokta Nyay Bhavan, F Block, GPO Complex, INA, New Delhi should reach within 60 days from the date of publication in the Employment News. Applications are invited for the following posts of Group C Civilian Defence Employees units under HQ Southern Command under different categories. 1 post of Steno Grade 2, 8 posts of LDC, 1 post of Cook, 1 post of MTS Dafdari, 14 posts of MTS Messenger, 5 posts of MTS Safaiwala and 2 posts of MTS Chowkidar. Application format and other details are available on www.hqscrecruitment.com. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates between 1st of June to 30th of June 2022. Information about these vacancies has been published in the Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.